You're gonna have to speak up for me. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Guilty.
Is that a yes? You're pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yes.
Did you go over the paperwork with your attorney?
Yes.
Did he answer all your questions?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes.
If you're not a citizen, I must tell you that a plea of guilty in this case, which you are charged in these cases, which you are charged in, may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or your denial of naturalization under federal law. Knowing this, do you still want to proceed?
Yes.
State.
State Opera State's one in all 5 charges.
Without objection, all 5 charges.
With no objection made, I'll admit states one in all cases. With respect to cause number 1908138, I sentence you to 40 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. With respect to cause number 1808485, I sentence you to 40 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. In charge number 1808478, I sentence you to 40 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. In cause number 1808439, I sentence you to 40 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. And in cause number 165064, I sentence you to 15 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. Is there any reason why the sentence should not be fulfilled?
No, Your Honor.
With that said, you will be remanded to the Sheriff's Department, where they will send you to the Texas Department of Corrections to fulfill these sentences given to you. Are these to run together?
They are to run together, Your Honor.
And am I getting dismissals on the other cases?
You will, Judge. We have victim impact statements to be made at a later date when we get 2 other children into Houston.
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
Okay. So with that said, you're going to be remanded to the Sheriff's Department to fulfill your sentence. You realize that you're never going to get out of prison. You're going to die in prison. You understand that? 40 years? How old are you?
I don't know.
You know how old you are.
I've discussed these sentences, the fact that there are 40 years with Mr. Cohen. He does understand, Your Honor.
I know he understands that. I know you understood everything I've said to you from the beginning to the end. You ran an interesting con, sir. You violated all these young boys, and you're here today facing justice. And whatever age you are, plus 40 years, chances are you get out are very slim to none, and you deserve that sentence. You understand that, right? All right. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Can I Jacob Vella on this new